Hey all, I'm a 2x Emmy nominated Foley Artist AMA. Have you ever eaten something and thought, whoa, this sounds better than it tastes? Have you ever heard something and gone, wow, I haven't heard that before, or that would take some time to recreate? Thanks for the AMA. Do you see a difference between Foley for film TV and Foley for video games? I asked a Foley artist once if she could tell who was the Foley artist on a film she's watching without looking at the credits. She said, not always, but a lot of times she can. She said it's usually the footsteps that sound distinctive. Same question to you. Since it's a relatively small community of artists, can you tell who did the Foley just